Following on from my previous video about setting up Tailscale for Jellyfin, a viewer asked if I could create a video explaining how to set up Tailscale on a UGREEN NAS using the new official Docker image. This video will make the assumption that you've already created a Tailscale account and downloaded the client on your computer. Also, this is a clean installation where I've deleted my old Tailscale container using the Docker Compose method from my previous video. Check out my earlier video for more information on setting up a Tailscale account and an overview of how Tailscale works. The first step is that you want to generate an Auth key as a unique identifier to connect your NAS to your Tailscale account. Go to Settings, Personal Settings and then Keys. Generate an Auth key, setting it to reusable so the key doesn't expire. Copy the key and save it safely for the next stage of the setup process. The next step is to download the image, which is the template for the Tailscale container. Open Docker on your NAS in UGREEN and then navigate to Image and then search for Tailscale. The official image is the one with the star. Click Download and you'll find it under the Local Image tab. Click Create. You can rename the container here. Toggle on Automatic Restart. Next, change the network to host. This is important because Tailscale needs the necessary permissions to manage the NAS network traffic correctly. Then toggle on Privilege Mode so that the Tailscale container can create the necessary VPN configuration. The Tailscale container requires a place to store important files. Navigate to your Docker folder and create a folder called Tailscale. Next, click on the folder and go to the properties and copy the path. You'll need to enter this information into the container environment settings later. Navigate back to the Setup wizard for the Tailscale image and go to the Volume section. This is where you can tell the container where to find the folder you just created. Click Add. Click the folder icon and navigate to the folder, highlight it and then click Confirm. Next, type the following string into the container directory file dialog. Now change the container permissions to read-write. Now, under the Basic Information section, navigate to the Environment Variables and you'll need to add 3 sections. Click on Add and then add the following string under Variable and then paste the Auth key that you generated into the value field. Next, click Add again and enter the following strings to the fields. Then finally, you'll need to repeat the process and add the following strings too. This last string is recommended to prevent DNS conflicts that break the local internet access. Finally, click Confirm and the container will take a moment to deploy. Once it's up and running, your NAS will be added to your Tailscale machines list and you're done. One note, using the official Tailscale image did create some issues that I didn't experience using the Docker Compose method. It affected my previous configurations of Nextcloud in my own personal setup, and you'll need to add the Tailscale IP to your trusted domains within the Nextcloud YAML. Unfortunately, it's quite an involved process which I won't cover off in this video. There may be other containers that also require similar updates if you notice any breaks in your service. Thank you for watching, and as always, it would be great if you were to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal technology and the connected home.